Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the best DaVinci Resolve TikTok export settings. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So all you want to do is go to your delivery tab right here, and then we'll have to locate our render settings. So of course, if you select your TikTok right here, it's just gonna give you this type of resolutions. So what we want to do is actually pretty simple. So we want to do a custom export still and not a TikTok one. So actually we can use this vertical resolution, but we can set it to up to 4K right here, and then our own frame rate. So we want to use an MP4 format, of course, and then your frame rate, whichever we used in the original video. And your codec should be H.265, and there you go. The rest you don't touch unless you have to. So here your codec will be AAC, and the data burn-in will be same as the project. Add this to your render queue and render it when needed. So there you go guys, this is the best DaVinci Resolve TikTok export settings for your videos. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.